So I created this image with Nano Banana Pro, then I turned it into a cinematic video like this, and as you can see, it looks outstanding. Then I created one more image like this and transformed it into another awesome video, which, as you can see, looks Hollywood level. After that, I repeated this process a few more times to create multiple images and turn them all into videos. Then I did a bit of editing to get something like this, generated an emotional tribal background music, and added it. And here's what I got. It looks truly epic, right? And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can do this too, and take your content creation game to the next level. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right, the tool we will be using today to create the visuals and the background music is called DeeVid AI. With this, you can do everything in one place, and you really don't need to subscribe to multiple AI tools for multiple tasks. This can do it all for you. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email. After that, you will see an interface like this. At the top, you can see some of the tools it offers. As you can see, it has image to video, video to video, AI effects, and other useful tools. Now, from here, you need to click on the Try DeeVid option, and it will take you to this interface. This is where all the magic happens. On the left, you can see all the available tools. First, let's choose the AI image option. After that, you can select image to image or text to image, or you can use pre-made style templates if you want. I'll go with text to image. Next, you can choose the image model. As you can see, it has the latest Nano Banana Pro model, which has literally taken the internet by storm, so I'll select that. Then you can choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with this one. After that, you can select the resolution. Nano Banana Pro can generate images up to 4K, which is amazing. I'll choose 2K for now. Then I'll set the number of output images to 1 to save credits and hit generate. It really doesn't take much time, and here's the output. Wow, I am in awe. Just look at this image. This literally looks like a scene from a Hollywood movie, doesn't it? The first thing that stands out is the realism. These don't feel like cartoon mountains. They look almost photoreal. The textures, lighting, and natural growth of moss and greenery make everything feel alive. The floating rock formations and cascading waterfalls add a sense of epic scale and movement, while the mist and clouds bring in a dreamy, otherworldly atmosphere. It honestly feels like a scene from a high-budget fantasy movie or game. Nano Banana Pro has created a world that feels both believable and magical. Truly impressive. Let's try one more. This time, I'll give it this prompt and then hit generate, and here's the output. This looks like a scene straight out of a movie. The warrior, the alien mount, the floating mountains, and the glowing waterfalls all feel cinematic and incredibly detailed. With the misty lighting and rich environment, it genuinely looks like a blockbuster movie poster. Nano Banana Pro absolutely nailed it. Now, let's try another one, but this time with a different image generator. We'll use the V3 model, and as you can see, this model can also generate up to 4K images. I'll keep all the settings the same, paste the prompt, and hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, I really wasn't expecting the result to be this good. Just look at this image. This is seriously top tier, on par with Nano Banana Pro and Midjourney. The flying banshees, the floating mountains, the mist, and the lighting all feel extremely cinematic. The dynamic camera angle makes it feel like you're flying through the scene, not just looking at it. DeeVid AI clearly belongs among the best image generators right now. Super impressive. Let's try one more image. I'll paste this prompt and hit generate, and here is the output. Wow, this is really impressive, guys. You won't understand how good this is until you try it yourself. Really great stuff. Now let me show you how you can turn these images into videos easily. First, select the image to video option. Next, upload your image. I'll upload this one. Then you need to give it a prompt. I'll write a very simple prompt like this, because the simpler the prompt, the better the result. Now you can choose the video generator from here. As you can see, it even has Sora too. I'll go with this option because the quality is outstanding. and you'll see that in a moment. Next, choose the aspect ratio and video duration, then simply hit generate. It doesn't take much time, and here is the output. This is seriously top tier. The way the clouds move feels natural and alive, and even during the zoom, the waterfalls and rock details stay sharp and realistic. Nothing breaks. The depth and lighting remain consistent, keeping that cinematic feel throughout the motion. This is exactly how image to video should look. Smooth, immersive, and believable. DeeVid AI delivered a truly polished result. Let's try one more. This time I'll upload another image, give it a simple prompt, and hit generate. And here it is. As expected, this also looks absolutely stunning. Now just imagine the kind of cinematic content you'll be able to create with this. Truly amazing. And now let me show you how I generated the music for my trailer. First, go to the AI music section, then write your music style here. I'll base it on my trailer theme. Make sure you select the instrumental option and then hit generate. Once it's done, it will create 2 different tracks. You can preview and download the one you like. After that, I added all the clips and music in CapCut, applied some transitions and filters, and here is the final result. That looks outstanding, right? And now you can do it too. It's not that difficult, guys, and DeeVid AI really makes everything so easy. You no longer need to switch between multiple tools to create different types of content. You can do it all here. Once you sign up, they'll give you free credits to test it out, and you can also purchase a subscription if you want full access. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.